to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something not very common but absolutely delicious. We're going to make a avocado flatbread. Easy for vegetarian friend. We need really not much ingredient. We need like 30 grams of parsley if you like, half lemon, I'm gonna use 3 avocados, 2 cups of plain flour. I don't need I don't know if we're gonna need all, depend how big how your avocado gonna be, something like that. I'm gonna show you the consistency, the dough we're going to make. Garlic and some salt. It's very easy guys. We start of course from avocado. Just cut your avocado up and put inside like that. Try to find the avocado not too hard, a little bit soft is much better for us. Two, a little depend how many flat bread you want to make. You add more flour, more salt, more everything, you know. Always guys, later if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel if you like, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Guys, now take a fork and mash it like this. Do this properly. Gonna be like this. Take your time. When I mash all the avocado, I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, mash like that. Is this. Anyway, now we need lemon or lime, up to you. Half is okay, half lemon juice I'm gonna add. Go in. We add the parsley, everything in. Like a teaspoon of salt. This, to be honest, that's how much you like. I adjust that. And mix again. Try to do the best as possible. Like this. Fantastic. I cannot wait to try it. And now guys, we add, this is 2 cups of plain flour. I add half first. Like this. Okay. I start to mix everything without any oil, anything. Now, in this case guys, I use the hands, okay? It's the best way. Now, I mix everything like this. Take your time. If we need more flour, we're gonna add. I'm gonna show you the consistency we need. Okay, this mix gonna be around 10 minutes maybe, like that. See you soon. Guys, I mixed this for 5-6 minutes. Now we add the garlic. It's up to you, like this, crush, up to you in pieces, but I recommend you this way. The flour, almost I put all. And now again dig in, you know, start to be, and continue for another 10 minutes when become like very smooth, you know. If you need more flour, add slowly, okay? See you when it's ready, the dough. Guys, hard work. I did this for 20 minutes and I add another 2 tablespoons of flour. You know, it's soft like this. It's nice, smooth. Now we clean film it and we leave at least 10-15 minutes. If you have 20, leave in the fridge. Gonna relax the dough, and later I show you. Basically the job is done. I show you how we're gonna make the bread, the flat bread. Okay? See you in 15 minutes. Guys, 15 minutes. My dough is ready. Rest a little bit. It's quite soft anyway. pan on the fire. We're gonna make medium heat, I mean. And now, guys, what we need? Put some flour on the bottom. Okay, take all the dough like this. Some more on the top. We try to make like one sausages like this. And we divide. I don't know how big you like doing your flatbread. I gonna do this idea. We see, okay? Put it again on the plate. 3 and 4. And this one basically gonna be very gentle. Okay, it's very easy to do. I take one of these and flat it, okay? If stick on, just add some flour, okay? It's coming very nice. Don't worry about for the hole because I was a little bit aggressive here. Okay, like this. Take your time. Don't worry about to be precise. This is one is ready. Okay, it's couple minutes per side. Gonna take in the on the pan, and now I show you. We put a drop of oil and very gentle. And this one, guys. Now we leave couple minutes per side. It's gonna be ready. Okay. In couple minutes when I turn it, I show you, and in the same time I start make another one. Okay. I show you again. Flour by hand, a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit bigger, and just piano piano, slowly. Add some more flour. And slowly. You see? I'm not very professional to make very roll that, but it's enough. Okay? When that one is ready, I'm gonna show you. You know, start change color from the top here. Yeah. I want to show you the process. You see, guys? A little bit more. Okay? I'll show you when we're gonna turn it. Guys, 2 minutes and look. Exactly. Another 2 minutes from the other side is the job is done. Look here. The first one is always no, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit little like this because I did again this one, and I'm gonna show you when it's ready this one, and in the end we're gonna try it. Okay? A couple minutes, I'm gonna show you. Guys, for me, this one is done, okay? Up to you later if you like more, but this one is first one for me is done. Don't forget now, we cook the other, add just a little bit of the oil, and very gentle. There we go. When all my avocado flatbread is ready, I'm gonna show you we're gonna test it. Okay? See you soon. Guys, the job is done. My avocado flatbread is this. Look how soft it is, you know? And now with this you can hit like that. You can put something inside, I don't know, ham, salami, or just cheese, roast vegetable. What you think is good for you, you put it. I'm gonna try like this. Okay. It's fantastic. And from that 3 avocado and that flour, I have 6 flatbread this dimension. And now is the moment. Unbelievable. Absolutely delicious, guys. What can I say? Try it, let me know. And guys, the avocado flatbread is this. Absolutely al bacio. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!